next 10 minutes. This is Agent 00P5 by A&D Studios. Spies, drama, action. Filmed in super strange animation.
Agents, behold, our Hot Wheel car collection. Fit for any secret agent garage.
Here we have some amazing Hot Wheels cars, fit for an agent, helicopter pilot, or just a car enthusiast. How cool would it be to have a model helicopter on a roof, painted differently of course?
Well, a collection, or something we can use for filming. Keep watching.
Hey there Hot Wheels fans, you might want to look away now if you're die-hard fans and collectors, because if you like things being inside a box and nice and pristine, that isn't what you're going to get in the next part of the video. If you'd like to see toys and things outside of the box, used and played with, carry on watching. Felt weird opening some boxes of collectible cars, but at A&D Film Studios we'll do anything to get the on-screen look we want, and so had to open these. If you want to do the same, don't forget to be careful with scissors, folks. Here are some beautiful shots of the cars before being painted and weathered.
Before we go any further, Agent WP5 fans, here's a quick video from our sponsor.
A&D Film Studios is proudly sponsored by the best place to get floors in disc. Check out Howard & Hutley Floors now for a quote. Thanks for that. Here's more of the cars before being painted and weathered. End of part 1, video to be continued, showing detailing of the cars, changed paintwork and how we made them look more realistic. Also, we might randomly include a slightly scratch-built truck, based on a Hot Wheels monster truck. Part 2 coming up in June, folks!
Thanks for watching another epic Agent WP5 video. More coming soon. Please review, like, love, share, comment, subscribe and laugh to keep A&D alive. Your mission, see you in the next A&D Film Studios video.